How to set up Logitech Webcam on PC. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can set up and use Logitech Webcam on your PC. The first thing you want to do is take the USB cord that is hooked into the webcam, and now you want to plug this into your computer. Once you have plugged the USB cable into the port of your PC, it is automatically going to be set up and downloaded. So on your computer, you can check for the software. If your computer does not automatically download and install the software, then you want to go through the instructions that came with the webcam and then follow those steps. You can also Google the brand and then follow the steps that is shown in Google. Once the software has been installed, you want to place the camera in the angle that you want. Now for this video, I will show you how you can use it in Zoom application. For that, you want to open the Zoom application on your PC. If you don't have it, you can get it installed. After you have opened it, you first want to log into your account. After logging in, click on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now from this left-hand side menu, select the option of video. Then in the camera drop-down, click on it, and from this drop-down, you're going to find your Logitech camera option. Click on that option, and once you do that, the preview is going to be shown. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.